What's going on, traders? Julian here, J. Lewis Trading, doing a quick recap of what I was trading on the low float side of things this week. Now, I'm going to show you ALF. This was a pretty nice play. It really ultimately starts back here, although this is not where I entered the position. You can see that we created some resistance. Lows are getting higher, and price action squeezes gaps over 866. This is an important level because you've got this structure right through here where price action is gapping over, pulling back and holding above that structure. And so this was the area that we were actually looking at getting long. For myself, it was more about getting long in the flag. You can see that price action flags off of the VWAP. Boom. This was a nice trade. Midweek we had KLDO. This was a bio stock, and this did okay as well. Again, much like ALF, there had been some resistance that was keeping price action sort of below that level. And again, looking for those key levels around $7. You've got price action moving sideways, breaks down, find some resistance here, some resistance right through here, pseudo resistance right through here, and then what happens? Boom, the next day price action gaps. Gaps are important because essentially what happens is it's taking up that previous level, in this case of $7. It's rallying upwards, it's pulling back, and then right through here, it's telling you that it really wants to get long. And right through here, what it's telling you is, okay, there is some interesting, this is an interesting level, 790. You can see that we've got resistance here, we pull up, rally, pull back, create that floor, transitional level, price action pops from there. Multiple ways that you could have traded KLDO. This was essentially what I was trading, this level right through here. And you could do some nice dip buying right here at the apex. You can see that momentum was working. Volume stepped in. Boom. This thing moved. And then lastly, on the low float side of things, we're going to be talking about EXPR. This was on Friday. This was traded. Now, this one was nice because this was an optionable trade. You're going to see a lot of the same things that we've just looked at, where there is this resistance level. Price action takes it out, pulls back, creates a flag, breaks higher. I actually got in this thing late, and where I got in was after the breakout. Now, what I was seeing was price action flagged right through here, nice ascending pennant right through here. Okay, boom, pops up, pulls back. We consolidate right through here, and there's an area of confluence that's very important that you've got to look at. It is 688, which is that prior resistance turning into support. The VWAP is below here. And now you've got that 9-day exponential moving average that's holding price action to the upside. And we consolidate for about 20 minutes or so. And then from there, I put it on right here. Okay, so there was the break right through here. Price action moved. I used my profit target taking tool on this one specifically. And if you look at ALF and KLDO and EXPR, I actually sent out an email to people in our community and people that are interested in our community, and I gave them the play-by-play. I broke all of this down after the fact while I was breaking it down in real time for everybody in our actual trading chat room. So if you ever have any questions about these stocks, please feel free to reach out, Julian@jlewisTrading.com. Don't forget about the workshop that I'm going to be hosting on Wednesday live. The link will be listed below in this video. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out. Thanks for watching.